Hello, Chuckies. Oh, you're a bit wet. It's a bit wet today, isn't it? Oh, look at your run. Yeah, horrible. I have treats for you. Put them down here in the dry section. There you go. Good girlies. Oh my God. Why have you got eggs out here? Can you not get into your nest box? What? Okay. Those eggs are obviously there from another day. So we won't be using them. So the 2 eggs that we found in the run, we can't use. We don't know how long they were there or when they were laid or anything, so we'll put them into the compost. Okay. Thanks, girlies. Oh, eating seeds.